What's up, guys? I'm back with another how-to. Today I'm going to show you how to use some shortcuts in Teams. Stay tuned. Alright, so all you're going to do is have your Teams app open right now. There are quite a few options, and there's a couple more that I'm probably going to show you next week, but let's go ahead and get started with the couple that I have today. So the first one is just general navigations. To go to activity of a team member, you're just going to hold down Control and press 1. And then it's going to give you a team member where you can look up their activity. And activity is just right here. And that's simply it. Next, to go to a chat, you're going to hold down Control and press 2. And it's going to take you exactly to the chat of the person that you were with. Next, to go to Teams, you're just going to hold down Control 3. And it takes you to the Teams right over here on the sidebar. Next, to go to Calendar, you're going to press Control 4. It takes you to the calendar. To go to calls, you're going to press Control 5. And it's going to take you to your previous calls, the dial pad, anywhere in here. To go to files, you're going to press Control 6. And it's going to open up all of your files. To search for something, you're going to press the Control and then the /. And it's going to allow you to search something exactly like I showed you earlier, like activity. You can click on this, pick the person, and it's going to pull up their activity. To start a new chat or a channel post, you're going to hold down Control N, and it's going to allow you to type to someone and start a brand new chat with them. And lastly, to start a video call, you're going to press Control, Shift, and U. And it's going to start ringing that person. Obviously, I don't think it's going to work right now while I'm on a video, but you hold down Control, Shift, U, and it's going to video call that person immediately. Additionally, if you're in Teams and you go up to the search bar, you can type a /, and it's going to pop up all sorts of things for you to change your status to. Well, not necessarily your status, but really anything. They are actually called command prompts. So it's going to pop up a whole list of them, and then you can just type in what it is. So I can change my status to BRB. And then I can come back and I can / and I can change it to do not disturb. And it doesn't just work for your status. It can work for the activity like I showed you earlier. It can send a quick message to someone. So if I would just want to type a message to Sydney really quickly, it's going to send that to her right away. These shortcuts are going to be something that you want to go to whenever you're in a hurry, whenever you want to get something done really quick and efficient. This is exactly the first place where you're going to want to look. I hope you guys found this video super helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.